Hey there, two ones, it's Ethan here today, and we are going to do a review of an unknown name tool set. So let's get started. First, you got your first drawer, kind of stiff, full of pliers and everything else. Dang it. On today. And you got your second drawer, which is full of all your sockets and everything with that stuff. And you got your screwdrivers, your Allen wrenches, your power tester, and your wire strippers and screwdrivers and mini screwdrivers. And on the fourth and last drawer, you got all your, wrenches, vice grips, razor blade, needle nose vice grips, and more wrenches. So yeah, this is the unknown brand tool set. Now, it's a good tool set, and I recommend it. Please subscribe, and Ethan out.